In this video, I will explain what free issuance equal distribution economics is, how it works, and what the results of using a system like this are. This circle represents everyone in the economy. On the left, I will explain the accounts that are used in this economic model, and on the right, I will explain the results of using this economic model. There are only two kinds of accounts in a free issuance equal distribution economic system. At the very center of the distribution, just like in every economic system, is the issuer. Every account other than the issuer is a member account. The issuer is not a member. The issuer only gives, the issuer never receives, the issuer issues currency for free and distributes currency equally to all of the members. The issuer carries the initial debt indefinitely for the entire economy. The members are given one account each, they receive the issuance for free, they are subject to no transfer fees, and they are subject to no obligations. The members simply open a free account, and then they use the currency that is issued to them to account for their transactions in whatever way they want. When the issuer issues currency, the issuer's balance is the negative equivalent of whatever the amount of currency is that is issued. If the issuer issues 1 million units of currency into circulation, then the issuer's balance is negative 1 million or minus 1 million. Members who join between issuances begin with a balance of 0. When more currency is issued into circulation, all of the members in the economy receive an additional and equal amount of currency issued from the issuer. The currency is never returned to the issuer in the form of a tax, debt, or fee of any kind. The currency that is issued into circulation remains in circulation. The issuer plays no role in the currency or the culture that is created by it after the currency has been issued, other than as a silent, inactive reflection of the amount of currency in circulation. Members decide for themselves who or what they will transfer their currency to. Outside of the issuance, which is equal, the only way for members to acquire more currency is to provide products and/or services to other members in exchange for currency. Only the most productive people as defined by the members in the economy as a whole become wealthy in a free issuance equal distribution economic system. Unlike the distribution process in a debt issuance selective distribution economic system, there is no privileged class reissuing money to the wealthy over and over again to maintain their status. So although wealth in the form of currency accumulation can be acquired in a free issuance equal distribution economic system, it lasts only until it is spent, and then it must be re-earned again. The inability of the wealthy to maintain their status through the issuer's channeling of currency creates a high turnover of who the wealthy are at any given time. In addition to a high turnover of the wealthy in the economy, the least productive people have just as much initial purchasing power as the most productive people after each issuance. The equal distribution of the issuance acts as a mild reset button for people who spend more than they earn, so people with disabilities or people who are unable to find buyers for their products and/or services have an economic safety net without any additional expense to anyone else in the economy. Donations, charity, and gestures of appreciation are also more common in this type of economic system than in any other. This is because the equal distribution of the issuance, combined with issuance retention, creates a level of balanced currency abundance that is beyond what any other economic system can offer. The primary result of a free issuance equal distribution economic system is that there is no privileged class. As a result of not having a privileged class, there is no debt or taxes. As a result of having no debt or taxes, there is no instability. No privileged class means no central planning, no special interests, no war, and no poverty. In a free issuance equal distribution economic system, there is no privileged class controlling who gets access to currency and who doesn't. There are no poor people who are left out of the distribution of the issuance, and there is no way to manipulate the economy in order to finance a war. No debt or taxes means free transactions, indefinite issuance retention, and small infrastructure. With no need or way of pulling currency out of circulation, there is no need for and no way to finance tax, debt collection, or monetary enforcement industries of any kind. A free issuance equal distribution economic system has comparatively few infrastructure requirements as a result of the issuance always remaining in circulation. No instability means no recessions, no depressions, and no inflation. Without the ability to pull currency out of circulation, recessions and depressions become impossible. Inflation requires the collaborative efforts of resource-controlling rulers, coordinating price increases. Although members may increase or decrease their prices individually, for any number of different reasons, the absence of an established debt-based ruling class makes the universal increase in prices impossible.